no. Don't you want me taking your picture? Where'd the boy go? Huh? Joe handsome. It's Joe handsome. Where'd the boy go? Tell him. Say, get home. Where'd you go? Say, hey. Where'd he go? Oh. Oh. Tell him. Tell him. What's wrong? You don't know? What's the matter? Drew Carey's on. Why aren't you watching him? I thought you loved Drew Carey. Go watch Price is Right. Look, it's on. You don't want to? Why not? Hey, what's the matter with you? You're awful fussy this morning. You're fussy. Why are you so fussy? Okay, that's enough. Enough barking. Luke, enough. That's enough. No more. Where's Kitty Cat? Where's Kitty Cat? He's mad this morning. Oh, he's mad this morning. He is upset. Don't step all over my stuff here, kid. Okay, that's enough barking. That's enough. Get your toy. He is mad. Boy went walking and didn't take him with him.